Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's open up Settings. From here we're looking for a hotspot, which will be in Mobile Network, or if not in here, then Connections and Sharing. There we go. Personal hotspot. And in here you want to start off by selecting hotspot settings, and it automatically selects the password, which is pretty good because by default the password is randomly generated, and without actually even going in here you have no way of knowing what it is. But I recommend removing it and setting up your own. It will be much easier to remember when you choose your own password rather than trying to remember this jumbled mess of random letters and numbers. From there, you can just click on the check mark to save the settings, and that's really all you would need to do. And now to enable your hotspot, simply tap on this checkbox right here, and it's running. Now, you can also see that there is a little icon that appeared right here, and this will allow you to generate a QR code, which you can then quickly connect to with another device without having to provide someone with the network name and password. So all you would do on another device is just launch a QR scanner, scan this, and it does everything else for you. Now, one more thing is, once you set this up, you don't actually have to go into the settings every time. All you really need to do is find this toggle somewhere in the toggles. So just pull down your notification center and find it, which for me it's on the second page right over here. It is running right now, so if I tap on it, I will turn it off. So there we go. Now, one more thing to keep in mind is hotspot consumes more of your battery life of the device. So if you're not using it, I would recommend trying to remember to turn it off. Otherwise, you will be just wasting your battery for no reason. Now, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.